Alrighty, I've got my cookie dough here into my sheet pan, muffin pan, and I'm just gonna come in with my Pam shot glass. I'm just gonna make an indentation in each one of these. I'm just using Pillsbury sugar cookie dough and some patriotic M&Ms. We're just making a super easy patriotic treat, perfect for the 4th of July, Memorial Day. You can use different M&Ms and do this for another holiday. It's just so fun and such a crowd pleaser. Now I've just got 1 egg into my bowl here. Don't worry, I'm gonna grab that shell using my shell. Oh, works like a charm. 1/3 a cup of water, 1/2 a cup of oil. Perfection. Alrighty, we're just gonna get this mixed together and incorporated, our little wet ingredients. This is gonna go so well with that cookie dough and those M&Ms, because we are adding in some brownie batter mix. Perfect. And now I am just gonna get this all mixed together, nice and smooth as it can be. It's got some chocolate chips in there. And then I'll show you what we're doing next. Perfect, this looks so good. All right, I've got my small cookie scooper here. Just gonna bring this right over to my cups. I'm gonna place some of this dark chocolate brownie batter right in the center of each one in my muffin tin. Now you could use a different kind of cookie dough if you like. You could try this with a chocolate cake. You could do it as a blondie. This is the darkest brownie batter I've ever seen. It like reminds me of something. I don't quite know what though, but it's got those chocolate chips in there. It's really delicious. It's from Ghirardelli, and we always get it when it's on sale. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna pop these into my oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. Alrighty everybody, we baked these for about 40 minutes. Now I did have a tray underneath them because they were rather full, and they're a little hot underneath here. Alright guys, the only thing left to do, pop one out.
Oh no.
It's a little crumbly. But this would be so good with some ice cream. I'm actually gonna get a bowl. I'm gonna put this over some classic vanilla. And y'all, you gotta try it.